Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Spencer, and I'm back again with another Madden 20 video. I'm playing this game early via EA Access, and I'm going to come back again today. If you didn't see my video yesterday, I uploaded another pack opening. Please go check that out. It was fire. Pulled 18 different elites in that video. With that being said, wanted to come back today, rip another bundle, as it was very, very good last time. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to rip open this 24-time gridiron bundle. Cost 12,000 points. Go and purchase that right now. And let's get right into this. So we're going to start it off here with the 24 gridiron packs. See if we can get something good out of those. You can see if we get some elites here. Like I said yesterday, my pack opening was fire. Looking for some more of that today. First pack, a little bit dry. Move on to the next one. Ooh, that's our first elite. Who's it going to be? 83 Darius Slay. Let's go. That's a good pull. That's instantly my best cornerback. And double elite pack. 80 overall, Avery Williamson. Another good pull. Darius Slay, 84 speed. That's going to be great. Day one. Let's go. Good start. Another elite. And 83 Brandon Brooks. And I actually pulled him in yesterday's video. So I'm going to make some good amount of coins off of selling him. This pack had nothing crazy in it. Duke Johnson Jr. is best pull. Get right into the next pack. And here's an elite. It's going to be 82 Brandon Graham. I actually needed a right end. It's one of my weakest spots in my lineup. So definitely take that. That's a great pull. Nothing else in that pack. Got Josh Jacobs, core rookie card. Sean McCoy there. He's the first power-up card. Kyle Fuller. Another power-up card, back-to-back. Got Desmond Trufant. And there's another elite. Get 82 overall, Joe Mixon. Okay, check out his speed real quick. 82 speed, pretty good. And nothing crazy in this pack. Come on, give me a banger here. We're looking for something big. In this pack, got 15 gridiron packs left. Open one of these elite player packs, switch it up a little bit. See what we can get out of this. Give me something good. Come on. Here's the elite. And 88 Tom Brady. Let's go. That's the highest rated card you can possibly pull in the game right now, guys. So that's some fire. Let's go, Tom Brady. And double elite. 83 overall kicker, Matt Bryant. Man, what a great pack right there. But 88 overall, Tom Brady. What a pull. Let's go. Let's go. Tom Brady, 83 throw power, 90 throw accuracy short, 88 throw accuracy mid, 81 throw accuracy deep, 80 throw under pressure, 88 play action, 73 throw on the run. What a great pull. Let's go. That's my best pull to date so far. So, what a great elite player pack right there. Switch it back to the gridiron packs there. See if we can get something else good here. Nothing crazy out of that one. Keep it moving. And another elite. Who's it going to be? 83 overall, Cameron Jordan. Okay. It's actually a duplicate pull. Pulled him yesterday in my pack opening. So, going to make a good amount of coins off that. I'll take it. Still haven't gotten a quick sell card yet, so if I can get one of those before the end of this pack opening. Those cards are always really good. And there's another elite. 83 overall, Devin McCourty. Speaking of Devin McCourty and quick sells, I actually pulled his quick sell card, yesterday in my pack opening. So that was selling for 55,000 coins. Make a good amount of coins off that. And another elite pull. Who's it going to be? 84 overall, Jamal Adams. Let's go. Great pull right there. 82 speed, 86 hit power, 85 play rec. Gonna be a great card. One of the best strong safeties in the game right now. Nothing in this pack. Eric Kendricks. Alright, keep it moving. Robbie Anderson. Probably decently fast. I don't have too many good receivers yet, so 85 speed. Probably going to go right in my starting lineup for now. Check how many packs we have left. We have 7 gridiron packs left and 2 elite player packs left. Let's switch it up and do another elite player pack here. And there's our elite. Is it going to be 80 overall Terrell Suggs? So these packs are pretty hit or miss, I'd say, and mostly because you can get an 80 overall, so those cards won't be going for much for too long. That's kind of a disappointing one right there. Let's go back to these gridiron packs, open up the gridiron packs first, and we'll save the elite player pack for last. And there's an elite 80 overall Golden Tate the third, and I believe that's my best receiver so far, so definitely take that. And another elite who we're going to get. Alejandro Villanueva. Could always use offensive linemen. Very, very important in Madden. So never fun being sacked in 2 seconds every play. So we got Will Lutz here. Might go for a decent amount. Josh Gordon, 79 overall. Surprised he's rated that high this year. Didn't really do too much last year. Hayden Hurst, who was the rookie last year. And get another power-up card. Joe Mixon power-up. Another power-up card. George Kittle power-up. That's a good one right there. I think I'm going to pick him up as my starting tight end. And Shaquille Griffin there. And another elite pull. It is 83 overall Kyle Fuller. That's another very, very good pull right there. My cornerbacks are going to be pretty stacked after this pack opening. Definitely take that. And also forgot to mention Evan Engram here. One of the fastest tight end cards in the game. He has 81 speed as a gold. So he's going to be a very popular guy to use day one. This is a very, very good pack right there. And Kyle Fuller, 83 speed, 86 zone. Very, very good card right there as well. Get right into the next one. Keep it pushing. Zach Brown. Jason Witten. Straight out of retirement. Back to 77 overall right away. Good old reliable Jason Witten. And there's another elite card who we're going to get. And Brian Bulaga. Okay. Definitely take an offensive lineman. And it looks like that was our last gridiron pack right there. So one more elite player pack. Finish it off. And we get the elite right away. 82 overall, Shaq Mason. Right guard. Okay. Definitely a decent pull right there. We're going to get anything else. Another elite. Please do something good. Derwin James. This card has very, very good stats. 81 speed, 81 hit power, 72 zone, 79 play rec. He's definitely going to be a budget beast out of the gate. So, good card to look into investing into right away. It'll be good for your guys' team. So, that'll be it for the pack opening there. Let's go check our team now after that pack opening. I'm just going to generate the best lineup here. See what our team's looking like. We are up to an 81 overall. And there's the offense. Still use some receivers yet. That's where I'm hurting the most. And here's our defense. Defense looking pretty solid. Looks like we could pretty much only use a right outside linebacker and a couple D tackles. So it's a great pack opening again, guys. And I'll definitely take it. That Tom Brady pull was a huge pull right there. So that's my new team after doing 2 pack openings. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe button down below, as these are a little bit expensive videos to make. So I would definitely appreciate all the support you guys could have on these videos, and any feedback is welcome in the comment section as well. But other than that, have a great day, guys. Peace out.